this video, we will talk about the development of the fetal respiratory system.
This yellow tube represents the foregut.
When the embryo is approximately 4 weeks old, the respiratory diverticulum, which is also called the lung bud, appears as an outgrowth from the ventral wall of the foregut. As you can see here, this is the ventral wall of the foregut, and from the upper portion, the respiratory bud will protrude. Here, you can see the actual protrusion, outgrowth of the respiratory bud from the upper portion of the foregut in two views. This is the anterior view and this is the lateral view. For the separation process, two longitudinal ridges, the tracheoesophageal ridges, separate the trachea in blue from the foregut in yellow. When these ridges fuse to form the tracheoesophageal septum, the foregut is divided into a dorsal portion, the esophagus, and a ventral portion, the trachea and lung buds. Note that the epithelium of the internal lining of the trachea, bronchi, as well as that of the lung, is entirely of endodermal origin, while the connective tissue in blue, cartilaginous in yellow, as well as the muscular part of the trachea and the lung are derived from the visceral mesoderm surrounding the foregut. As the bronchi develop, they continue to branch. The right bronchus gives off 3 diverticula, and the left bronchus gives off 2 diverticula. These diverticula become the primary bronchi, which are represented in red color, indicating that the right lung will have 3 lobes, and the left lung will have 2 lobes. Each of the bronchi at this level will divide into smaller bronchi. The branching of the bronchi continues until the bronchioles begin to form secondary bronchioles, which are represented in green color, and tertiary bronchioles, which are represented in yellow color, adding up to 17 divisions. one of the most frequent abnormalities during formation of respiratory system is a malformation in partitioning of esophagus and fistula by tracheoesophageal septum, and this results in esophageal atresia with or without tracheoesophageal fistula. Here in this represented abnormalities, you can see a fistula between esophagus and trachea. This type of abnormalities happen in approximately 1 out of 3,000 births.